Uy, baka maging abogada ka niyan.
Describe it as a character. Many struggle or problems. It is
Lalaki naman yan ba?
Bulacan.
Ba't tinanggal mo na yung mga ano mo dito?
When it is climax because of the story. Central idea or message. Central idea or message to on perspective, point of view. First person is I, ako. First person I. And third person, he, she, and they. Third person. Tapos, it's dialogue. Dialogue, because having dialogue, it's a conversations of message. Dialogue.